Good morning, happy Saturday, and welcome to Craft and Chat here at the Eagle Public Library. My name is Amber, and I'm going to be with you this morning, guiding you through our cute, fun, easy craft. This morning, we're going to be making a mini dry erase board, and this is also a take and make here at the library until supplies last. And if you want to give us a call here at the library at 208-860-2044, you can call or text us and let us know that you would like to come by and grab a take and make kit. And they'll be outside on the curbside table under the big blue tent. After you call or text us, we'll stick it out there with your name on it for you. And so we only need a few things for this craft. You need a piece of cardstock and a picture frame. And I got this at IKEA, actually. It was like 97 cents. Or you could go to the dollar store, and you could even do bigger than the mini one. You could do an 8x10. That would be really cute too. So you could write little notes like, I could leave this for my family and let them know what we're having for dinner. Just kind of fun. And it's two-sided, which is fun, so you could leave two messages. So you need for this, I just said, a picture frame, cardstock, and some washi tape. And did I show you this one already? Okay. It's just so fun. I've made several of them. So let's get started. So let me scooch this down here so you can see. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, so what I did was the glass insert that came with this, I took it out and I traced it onto a piece of cardstock and then cut it out. That was the easiest way. And so I've put the piece down here and I've secured it with a couple pieces of washi tape. And so to start out with, it's small, so I usually use the solid colors and then save the bigger ones for when there's a little bit more space for them. But you have a great imagination, and that's what's fun about crafting, is you can do whatever your imagination wants to do. But this is just how I did it. And so I find this stuff to be really forgiving too. So you line it up so there's no white showing on the cardstock. And if you do have a little bit showing or you didn't put it down correctly, it comes up super easy. So like if I accidentally did that and there's white and I didn't want to, it honestly comes up really, really easy. So I line it up. You could overlap it a tiny bit, or if you're really good, you can lay it down and you won't have any white. I run my fingers over it 2 or 3 times. It will come off the table, but if you do that, I found that it sticks really well and won't come up. Okay, so I think now this is just like so fun, all of these different kinds of washi tape. So what you're going to want to do is you want to go diagonal, or you can do whatever you want, but I'm going diagonal, and you overlap so that you show all of the cardstock, that you cover all the cardstock. And then in a minute we'll peel it up, and it peels so easily. And then we'll trim it and get it set to go. And so the little ones for me kind of tear easily, so I'm just like go quite slow to unwrap it so I don't waste any of it. And it is easier to place down, I have found, if I have it unrolled and then I place it where there's not any white. And then, like I said, oh, I really like that, a couple of times over so it stays. And then you want to make sure that you do cover all the white and trim it. Let's see, I like this. Actually, I know what I'm going to do. I loved this gold. We have a big, huge bucket here at the library of washi tape. And so this didn't come with my Van Gogh washi tape, but I thought it went really well with it. And it's hard for me to find where it stops and ends. Oh, there we go. Okay, I just love this glitter. So this is kind of fun and goes with the colors of this. So like I said, now we're getting really close to it, and we overlap it and then run it a few more times so it will stick. But it does not stick to your table. It won't leave residue or anything like that. So that's the fun part, is you just kind of look at what you have and see what you want to lay down next. The fun thing about this project is Easter is coming up, and so you could make a couple of these and put in your kids' baskets, or give to your friends or your mom, or it might be fun to give to your husband so he could put it maybe on his desk or something like that. I love the solids. Let's see, I feel like I want to do some blue now. I think, oh wait, I like this one. I do. Okay, and that is the most challenging part, obviously, is to find where it ends, right? There we go. It's trying to hide from me. Okay. So I overlap it. There we go. That's much easier. Oh, I like those solids together. They look nice. I've done this several times. Every time I do it, it's just totally different. Okay, I want to use this. This one is the thickest one I have, I think. Yeah, it's much easier to unroll it. Okay, I think I want to place it right there. Ooh, that looks so good. Looks like we need some... Have I used this one? No, okay. Okay, again, you guys might have an easier way, but just put my fingernails on it till I find where it ends. Ooh, I like that there too. Okay, so now I've kind of done a couple of patterns. I think I will do a solid again, maybe this green. Like I said, for whatever reason, these little skinnier ones, they do break off, and I'm so happy it's not doing it while I'm showing it to you because I'm going a little bit slower. Oh, I like those two together. You know, you could go to the dollar store and get these, and you could do it with your kids. It would be really fun too. Two different kind of greens together, darker and a lighter. That looks really cool too. I feel like now I need to use maybe a blue. So it looks like I only maybe need, I'll probably need two more. Let's see. Oh, I like that. And then just right here, I think I'll put a little piece of green to make sure that's covered up. That's all we need. Okay, so we've run our fingers through several times to make sure that it's secure on the cardstock. And then just with your fingernail, see how easily this stuff comes up? It doesn't leave a gummy residue or anything like that on your table or counter, wherever you're going to do it. And then I'll just peel that up. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. Also, when you guys make yours, we here at the library, we would love to see what you guys make with your patterns and stuff for your mini dry erase boards. If you would like to take a picture of it, you could be in the picture, or just take a picture of how your design turned out and share it with us on social media. We would honestly really love to see what you guys are making. I'm back. Okay, let me scoot you closer. So this is what it's going to look like when you fill it up from your counter or your table. And so a lot of people have those self-healing mats that they use, or a craft mat. You could put it on that and just use an X-Acto knife or something. It will go quicker. These are brand new scissors, and they go really sharp right now. So this will only take a few minutes. So you just take the back and trim off the excess. So when we are, whoops. Look, I told you it was easy, and now I'm having a hard time with my scissors. Okay, there we go. When we are done trimming this, what we're going to do is we're going to take the two inserts that came with the picture frame, and we're going to sandwich our cardstock with washi tape in there and secure it in the picture frame, which only takes a couple of seconds, and then your board will be done. Okay, so here's our cardstock all trimmed up. Oh, that turned out really cute. I like that. Okay, let's see. So here we are. So the take and make kit that we have at the library, the picture frame is a little bit different than this, but mine I just pop open like that. So here's the side that says Taco Night. I'll just take one piece of the little covering off, sandwich it in there, put back, there we go. And then you just stick it in your frame, secure it in there. Oh, that turned out really cute. I like that. Okay, so there's the one that we made together. This side says Taco Night, so that's fun. You can leave 2 messages. And also I've done this one. It's just like you can make so many different designs with just the few washi tape that you have. So it has been so nice to be with you this morning. I hope that you guys will have fun making your mini dry erase board, and we would really love to see what you've done. If you want to share with us, that would be fun. Have a happy Saturday. It was great to be with you this morning. Bye-bye.